Today we are having a look at how you can earn $10 in 10 minutes by simply surfing the internet. So in this video what we'll do is I'll show you exactly how this works and how to set everything up. This is available worldwide and you do not need any skills or experience to get started with this, and it's absolutely free. Now on the screen here you can see some of these different companies. You've got really big companies here. We've got TripAdvisor, we've got Office Depot, we've got the Four Seasons, and there's many more different companies. And all of the companies here, they've actually worked with the website that I'm going to be sharing with you today. The website's been around for a number of years. I have no concerns recommending this company to you because they've got very good feedback, and we'll go over some of that in this video. So if you stay till the end, what I'm going to do is I'll show you some different reviews for this. We'll go over some tips to actually earn more money with this method, and by the end of the video you'll know a really simple way to earn some extra money online and from home. So let's go ahead and jump into this video and I'll just walk you through the really simple process to earn $10 in 10 minutes working from home. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to another video. So in this video we're just going to go over it's only one website today that we're going to need to earn $10 in 10 minutes, and we'll go over absolutely everything you need to know in this video. So let's go ahead and have a look at the website. So let's go here. So this is the website and it's called userfeel.com, and we first featured Userfeel on the channel about 6 months ago, but they've made some additional updates to the website since then, so we're going to go back over and have a look at that and how you can earn more money with this website. So how it works is you can see there's lots of big companies here. This is just a handful of the companies who have worked with Userfeel. So these companies here, they come over to Userfeel whenever they are looking for tests, and you can see up here where it says remote usability testing. So all these websites here, and you know, big companies, entrepreneurs, etc., and small companies as well, they come over to this website, and what they're trying to do is they're trying to make their websites and their apps better. They're trying to understand, you know, what people like about the websites, what they don't like about them. If there's developers out there who have developed a new app and they want people to test it before they launch it to the market, well, they come over here and they get all the feedback, and it's just like trial and testing it before they go ahead and release that out into the world. So if you scroll down here, you can see get your website or app tested now. So this is not the part that you will be focusing on. This is just where the companies come and they basically go ahead and, you know, they can get a free test on here and you say run a usability test, etc., etc. But if we come down here, you'll notice here on the right hand side, this here on this website, so you can test any site in any language. Our panel consists of more than 50,000 testers speaking 40 different languages. So if you can speak more languages if you can speak more than one language, you're going to have more opportunity to earn money. So if I scroll down here, you can see we've got testing on any device. So if you have a desktop, a mobile or a tablet, then you can go ahead and sign up with Userfeel. I'll scroll down here. Now again, this is all just for companies who are coming over here, but I want to show you this. So you've got some different examples here. So if you come over to the website, you can actually go ahead and have a look at some of these example tests. So these are tests which people have already completed. So you'll be able to get a proper feel for this of how you will be doing these tests. So you've got an English test on a desktop, we've got a mobile here, we've then got some, we've got a Swedish test down here, we've got a Polish test. So you can go ahead and have a look at these. So the part you want to be looking for and focusing on is you've got two options. You can scroll down to the bottom. In fact, I'm going to scroll to the top because I've got lots of testimonials on here from different companies I've worked with. If we scroll up to the top, you want to simply click on this one right in the middle where it says Become a Tester. That will then take you through to this page here. And I'll drop links to everything below for you. So you can see on here, become a tester and earn $10 per test. Each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes and is completed with your home computer or smartphone. And again, there's another video here and it just walks you through exactly how this all works. So if you scroll down the page, there's a couple of points for you to know on here, and I just want to highlight these for you. So it goes through, you know, the equipment, how much you will earn, etc., etc. Now if you scroll down the page here, let's go down here. It goes through, you know, what you should do and what you shouldn't do. But this is the points that I wanted to highlight for you. So what makes a good tester? So good usability testers speak as they surf the website, they express their thoughts and can provide useful feedback on how they expect the website to work. So this is some things that they do not want you to do. So they do not want you to go onto a website or an app and say, I've been on it, everything's okay, or basically just do not go through any of these. What they're looking for you to be doing is, if I scroll this down here, you'll see this is what they need you to do. So speak loudly and clearly into the microphone, perform a test in a quiet place, say what confuses you. So if you're on a website and maybe some of it doesn't make sense, or the color scheme isn't right, or absolutely anything, they just want you to go ahead and give your thoughts and feedback. And there's no wrong or right answers with this. So you go onto a website, you go through, and you literally just provide useful feedback and useful comments. They don't want you to go on a website and saying, oh yeah, I absolutely love this, I wouldn't change anything. The owners and the developers and the companies, they're looking for feedback from not just one person. They put these tests out to hundreds and sometimes thousands of people. Then they go through all of the video testimonials and collect the feedback, and then from all of that, they'll go ahead and make amends to the website or the app, or the new product that they're thinking of launching. And so this is what you need to be focusing on. So don't just go ahead and say everything's okay, etc. So if you scroll down the page here, how do you get paid? Well, you've got two options for payment. So you can see on here, after you've gone ahead and done your test, you can earn $10. Now you've got two options. You can get paid via PayPal, or you can get paid with Amazon gift cards, and the part here which is recommended. If you scroll down here, it goes over reasons why if you performed a test and you didn't get paid. Come down here, what data should I give about myself? How much can I earn per test? We've already covered that. How a test to perform. So to become a tester to this, it's really simple. So you literally click on become a tester. It will take you through to this page here. Now on this page here, it's literally a simple sign up form. So go ahead and put all of your information in here. As you can see, country of residence. You've got lots, there's absolutely everywhere in here, so you can go through and do this. Now come down here, you've got the option here. Now on here you can change this at a later date. So if you was to go ahead and put PayPal now, and at a later date want to go ahead and decide you want to switch it over to Amazon gift cards, you can go ahead and switch this over at a later date. Now on here, on this part here, what I would say to you is, on here, don't just go ahead and lie. Basically, make sure you're putting all of the information in here properly. So on here, I mean, some people have done this in the past. The people try and lie so that they actually go ahead and get access to more tests. But I wouldn't do that, and I wouldn't advise that, because there's no point in you saying, I've got children, when you haven't done, because they will potentially match you to a test which is aimed at parents, and if you have no knowledge of that or experience, then it'd just be a complete waste of time for you and also the company. So you go through and you fill all of this in absolutely correctly. Another tip what I would give you when it comes to this is go ahead and set up a completely separate email. And the reason being is, what will happen on user feel is, every time a test becomes available to you and it matches your criteria, then they will go ahead and send you an email. If you just put in your normal email, you may miss that email. We all get hundreds of emails every single day. So by going ahead and setting up a separate brand new email address, then whenever a test becomes available, you'll get access to that pretty much straight away, and you won't miss it with all of the usual crap that's in your inbox. So you come on here, just simply fill all this information, click that you're not a robot, and then apply to become a tester. And then what happens is, they will go ahead and they will send you literally a sample test. So you will go through and you will do a sample test just to prove that you are capable of doing this. You can speak the language that you've declared that you can go ahead and speak, and just to make sure that you understand how to do this properly. But if you have any questions about it at any point, I'll drop a link to the frequently asked questions page here for you. Again, you can go through all of this and see exactly what you need to do, what you don't need to do. So that is all of this part here. Now let me go ahead and show you some different reviews for this. So if I come up here, I found two different articles when I was looking into this morning for you. So this is the first one. It's on this website here. It's called fulltimejobfromhome.com. So every single review that you will find over on User Feel, they're all positive. The company, they've been around for a number of years. It's 100% not a scam. But if we come down here on this article here, So you can see this author here, give them a 4 out of 5-star rating. I wanted to go ahead and find the tips for you because they give some tips to earning more on the website. Was it this website here? Or was it this? Oh, actually, let me see if it was on this one here. It might be this one. This is the one. This is rags. What is that? Ragstoniches.com. So I'll drop a link to that below for you. So this here, they've got some tips for the qualification test. So I said to you, once you've gone ahead and you've filled in your profile and you've submitted your information off to the website, then you're going to get a qualification test. Now, you've got some tips on here for when you're actually going ahead and completing that test. So I'll drop a link to this article below. You can go ahead and check out the tips on here of what you should be doing and then what you shouldn't be doing, okay? And then also on here as well, it goes over how often you will receive tests, and I've not been able to find anything on here. Basically what it's saying is, in terms of the tests, whenever one becomes available that, you know, matches your criteria, then they will send it out to you. But like I mentioned here, as the tests are, basically it's a first come first served basis, so you need to be quick signing up to them, and that is why I recommend you go ahead and you set up a completely separate email address so you don't miss out on these. So that is 2 different websites. I'll drop links to both of these ones below for you. You can go ahead and check these out if you want. So we've got this one here, Rags to Niches, and then Rags to Niches, and then we've also got fulltimejobfromhome.com. So that's enough for today's video. If you found it useful, please go ahead and give the video a like. If you've actually worked with this website, drop some comments down below. I'd be interested to go ahead and, you know, get your opinions and thoughts on this. But thank you very much for watching. Have a great day, and I shall see you tomorrow.